Students, the first question is, why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of the Pongi? And its answer would be, so students, as you have seen in this story, Aurangzeb actually banned the playing of Pongi because the instrument had a very shrill and unpleasant sound. That he thought actually the Pongi had a very shrill and unpleasant sound. You understood in the story that what the word shrill means. Shrill means something that gives a shiver to whole your body. So actually Aurangzeb felt that the Pongi had a very thrilling and unpleasant. Now, student, question number 2 is actually how is Senai different from a Pongi. So, as you have seen in the story that when Aurangzeb actually banned the playing of Pongi in his court and eventually in his in all over his kingdom. So, one of a Nai who was his actually royal barber who actually improved the quality of Pongi by actually making 7 holes on a pipe. He actually took 7 holes. So in the answer you would write, student, that Senai is an improved version of a Pongi as it has a better tonal quality. Tonal quality means sound quality than Pongi, and it is a natural hollow stem pipe that is longer and broader than a Pongi. It has 7 holes on the body of the pipe. The word broader means, student, wider. So the barber actually on students, question number 3 is where did Shehnai played traditionally and how did Ustad Bismillah Khan change this? So actually, as you have seen in the story, Senai was traditionally played in temples and beddings, and actually Ustad Bismillah Khan changed this by bringing it onto the classical stage. He just made Senai, he just produced and invented many rags with the help of Senai that was considered impossible or beyond the range of Senai before that. But he actually made that possible, and that is exactly why he came into the mainstream music also. Before that, it was only played in wedding ceremonies and in temples as the ceremonies. But the rags and the possibilities that Ustad Bismillah Khan made, it made Shehnai a possible instrument in the music industry also. And we will discuss on the question number 4. The question number 4 is when and how did Bismillah Khan get his big break. So now, as you have seen in the story, the answer you would write, Bismillah Khan got his big break in 1938 when he played Shehnai on radio on the occasion of the opening of the All India Radio in Lucknow. So you have seen in the story that this was a big break for Ustad Bismillah Khan, because playing for a radio, playing for a mass communication, it actually made him famous all over the country, and soon he became an often heard player on radio. So now this is the answer of question number 4. Student, from here to here. Now let's see the question number 5, students. Where did Bismillah Khan played the Senai on 15th August 1947? Why was the event historic? So now the question number so the answer of this question, students, would be on 15th of August 1947, Bismillah Khan played Senai at the Red Fort, on the occasion of India's first, when India actually got its independence. The event was historical because India got independence from the British rule on that very day actually. So now, student, question number 6 is, we will see the question number 6 and 7 tomorrow actually.